I want to talk about this Wagyu beef tallow from South Chicago Packing. I'm a big fan of beef tallow. I've been using this brand for a number of years. I just love what you get out of flavor-wise from beef tallow, as well as staying away from seed oils, which I think is really important. But a lot of people just do meat in it, and I've noticed that doing vegetables in it is amazing. I'll do it the same way. I'll just heat it up in a pan, and I've got a little bit of onion there, and after the onions had a moment or two to saute, I'll throw in the asparagus. That's what we're having tonight. Big fans of asparagus in this household. And this was pretty easy. I'll put it in, I'll season it up, and it took about 10 minutes or so. You got to make sure you're minding it, make sure it doesn't burn. But when it's done, you get amazing results. You get fantastic flavor. This is one of the best ways my kids like me to cook vegetables. They love them. If you'd like to try some for yourself, please click on the link in the description below.